In this video, I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account on your phone. All you have to do is tap on profile icon and select the three line on the top and select the account center and select the personal details. Select the account ownership and control and tap on deactivation and deletion option. Tap on Instagram profile and tap on this deactivate account option and then select continue option. Type your Instagram password, then select continue option. Select any one of these reasons and select continue. Select deactivate account option. And as you can see, we have successfully deactivated the Instagram account. And now you can log in just by use another profile and log into the account. Whenever you want, you can reactivate it. Just typing the username and password. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.